Hi everyone, Alexa here from the blog, theduvallhomestead.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about maternity clothing. And I'm going to show you my spring maternity wardrobe. Personally, I like to buy new clothes every season, and I don't spend a whole lot of money, or at least I don't want to, buying really high-end clothing. I do like to buy high-end clothing for things like winter coats or something that's going to last me years, but I find that every season I like to buy something new and fresh, and so either way I'm going to be buying something, so I choose not to spend too much money on it. So today I'm going to show you my maternity capsule wardrobe. Now this is something that I've been working on for the last few months. I am 23 weeks pregnant now, so I've gotten a good handle on the fact that I need to wear maternity clothing. That's not something that I realized when I first got pregnant or planned to do. In my head, I thought I would just wear baggier clothing and looser clothing. Now, granted, I got pregnant in about November of last year, and we're due in August of this year. So my thought process was, well, I probably won't be very big until the summertime anyway, and then I can just wear dresses every day, right? But actually what ended up happening was, even just being a little bit bigger at, say, week 8 or 10 or 12, even if you don't have a big belly, you most likely won't fit into your clothing, which I didn't know because this is my first pregnancy. And there was a night when my husband was taking me out to dinner for a date night for a Friday night, because I was probably 12 weeks pregnant and I still wasn't feeling great. And he was like, let's just go out to dinner. And I wore these ski pants and they didn't even fit me. And so, but they were the closest thing that did fit. And I was in like a winery area, and I was walking around, everyone was all dressed up and having a great time, and I was in ski pants and a baggy sweatshirt because it was the only thing I had that I could wear because it was winter time. Now if it had been summer, I could have worn a dress. But that was my problem, was I didn't realize I was gonna need more clothes. And I realized at that time, it's time to buy some clothes. And I just don't like spending money. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy anything, I'm not gonna buy anything. And actually my husband was like, you need to buy maternity jeans, just do it. I'm like, okay. What I want to share with you today is what I learned, what I bought, how I saved money, and some really good staples that I've accumulated that I'm wearing every day now. And I don't know what I would do without them, honestly, because I didn't have any clothes that would have fit. So for starters, I like a good sweatpant. Now normally I would wear yoga pants because I like to exercise every day, so I would kind of wear them during the day and then just kind of roll into my workout in the evening or whatever I'm doing that day. And I'll do an overlay picture of me trying them on. But I got these sweatpants in gray. These are really cozy sweatpants. They are for maternity, so they have a nice stretch to them, but they're not so baggy that you lose your shape and you feel like you're just lounging around. I like to wake up and I like to put some really cozy sweatpants on and maybe a sweater, because it's usually quite cold in the morning, at least right now because it's springtime. So this is kind of what I throw on, and then once we make breakfast and I come upstairs and get ready for the day, I will change usually. Or I can wear this all day. Great outfit for cleaning the house, doing chores. You can go out in it or you can stay in it. And I like that. I didn't want to look like I was in my pajamas all the time. I don't know about you, but I feel more productive when I look more productive. I actually like to get makeup on and get dressed even if I am not going anywhere for the day. So what I like about whatever brand this is, which I'll link it below in case you want to see it on Amazon, but it comes in several different colors. So I found these and I liked them, then I bought more colors so I didn't get tired of them. Now the shirt I'm wearing is the same idea. It's also from an Amazon brand, and it's very soft cotton. And that's the other thing is, when you're pregnant, especially if it's your first pregnancy, you are stretching a lot and your skin gets kind of itchy. So the last thing I wanted was anything that was going to be itchy, which I normally don't like that anyway, but especially when you're pregnant. So I really want soft cotton. That's what I was going for. And of course, stretchy. So these shirts that I'm wearing that are a t-shirt, actually I think they come in a 3-pack, which was amazing. And so there's 3 different colors. It was so funny. I totally thought I was going to wear the same outfit every single day during my pregnancy. I was like, I'll just get one thing and wear it every day. Yeah, but that is just not fun. I don't know if you've ever tried that. but you've got to wash your clothes and then you just get tired of looking the same. So that came in a dark blue. It also came in a gray and white stripe, which is really pretty. You can also layer with these. They're just so soft and they wash really well. And you know how it is when you get something and then you wash it and it gets coarse or it shrinks, and these don't do that. And they're nice and loose. I think I can keep growing into them. So for the colder days, because it is spring right now, I have a few long sleeve shirts, and again, this is just regular cotton, and it's another one of those sets that come with a few different colors. So if you are pregnant or you know someone who's pregnant, it's a great gift to get like a pack of 3 shirts or something, because that way they have something that fits and they can just keep changing the color and they don't have to keep buying a new shirt when they don't know if it's gonna fit or not. And I got the gray and white stripe for the long sleeve shirt as well. And the long sleeve shirt's nice. It has a little crisscross detail at the front, which is kind of pretty. And on the side, it's kind of got a cinched fabric. It has a cinched sewing pattern here. So what that means is it is flattering because it's kind of pulling together where your belly is sticking out. So there's no loose ends. It's not baggy. It's fitted, but it's very soft, so it doesn't feel tight. So jeans, another thing I did not think I was ever going to buy, and I did because the only other pants I had were these sweatpants, and I just wanted to feel a little bit more dressed. So what if we go out to dinner and I don't want to, it's not a dress kind of day and I need to wear pants and I really needed, you know, jeans. So I finally got jeans. These were also an Amazon find. Amazon just has some great stuff, I'm not gonna lie. So these are called a Baby Bump Slim Boyfriend, and they have cuffs at the bottom, and they are not a skinny jean. I did see a skinny jean option online, and I'm probably gonna get it because after buying these, I really like wearing jeans while pregnant. It's really comfortable actually, and there's no tightening. There isn't even a button on these, which I didn't realize. There's no button. It just kind of stretches at the waist and fits really comfortably. So I think I'm gonna get another pair of these. Then for the warmer times, and if I'm working out, I got some shorts, and these are super soft, super comfortable shorts that I do suggest getting some shorts depending on what time of year you're gonna be pregnant. But you know, you get hot sometimes and you wanna be able to cool down. And so I just wanted to lounge around in some shorts, and also if I do some yoga or work out, I can wear the shorts too. Next type of clothing I want to talk about is organic cotton. And this may not be important to you, but I wanted to buy all organic cotton for basically from here on out, for my pregnancy and the baby and beyond. Just because I believe in organic, and I believe that if you can, to reduce any toxins that could be in your environment or on your skin. With that said, those items I just showed were not organic cotton, because organic cotton is quite a bit more expensive than regular. But there's a company called Pact, and they have all organic cotton for men, women, kids, baby, and some maternity. And they have a lot of sales that you can get, so things that are on sale are much more reasonably priced. I found some leggings there a few years ago because they actually sell at Whole Foods, which is where I get my groceries. And they also have camel sole bras, which is actually the one I'm wearing right now. And they're so soft, unbelievably soft. They wash well. The material is incredible, better than like my Lululemon pants that I used to wear. And this was a few years ago that I found this company. And so I was like, dang, organic cotton is the way to go. So I really want to buy everything from Pact, but I do have a few pieces that I really like for pregnancy. One is the camel sole. I'll link it below. But it's basically a really lightweight, soft, just easygoing bra. And they have a few different styles, and I think that's all I wear now. Actually, I don't wear any other bras except for the Pact ones. And then I have this blue cardigan that I actually just got for my birthday. I just needed something to kind of go around my shoulders during the springtime when it is cold. And I got a size large because that way I can close it around my belly if I want to. I just like things looser in general. I don't know about you, but I don't like things super tight most of the time. So this can be dressed with the pants or the shorts. It can go, it's a really nice layering piece over the long sleeve or the short sleeve, as well as the romper that I'm wearing right now. So I did really want to get some nice clothing, like a dress. and be able to dress up, because it just feels good to dress up. I talked about that earlier, how my day changes if I'm in my pajamas all day and I never brush my hair. It just doesn't feel as good as if I put a very minimal amount of effort into my appearance. I feel like I'm getting ready for my day. So this is a dress for a date night or a day out, and I got this in probably January, so I got long sleeve, and it's actually thick, quite thick, so it's pretty warm. It's not exactly a summer dress, it's more of a winter dress, and it's organic cotton, it's from Packed, and it is so soft and it's just so stretchy. It's actually not a maternity dress, it's a regular dress, but it's so stretchy and it's long enough for me. I'm 5'8", and so all of my clothes, I have to make sure they're long enough. So a typical dress, that goes to someone's mid-thigh or something is probably too short for me, because I have a long torso. So cute for a night out. It can be layered with that cardigan I was just wearing, and I just wanted to be able to have some option for if there's a dressing up occasion, someone's having anniversary or wedding or something, and I need to look nice. So that is my one dress that I bought for maternity. I actually have a family wedding coming up in a few months, and I'll be very pregnant for that, and I'm gonna have to get a different, a more wedding appropriate dress for that, so I'm still looking for that one. But for now, this is my go-to for dates and whatnot. And what I'm wearing right here in this video is a romper, and this is from a company called Beachwood Baby. It is like a linen cotton, actually this one's cotton, but I think they have linen as well. I know because I'm looking at getting a second one. But this is a cotton romper. It's super lightweight, and I was going to get this for the summertime, but got it earlier. And it's just so comfortable because it's so loose. It is a romper, so it has like pant legs, but it looks like a dress. So when you take a picture of yourself, you kind of look like you're wearing a dress. This one is a black and white stripe, and so it's just really simple, very lightweight. Sometimes I wear this when I feel like I don't want to have hardly anything on, and you don't even feel like you're wearing clothes. So this is a great piece for summertime as the weather gets warmer. I think I'll probably get another one of these. The shoulders have a really cute detail too. They're kind of scrunchy, and it's just a very loose fitting but cute item. All right, well, there you have it. If you are like me and you are going to get pregnant or are pregnant and you think you don't need any maternity clothes, I would definitely invest in at least a pair of jeans and some shirts or tank tops that have a little bit more space in the belly, because you will feel so much more comfortable as opposed to wearing your regular clothes and then they start to ride up and you feel like Winnie the Pooh with a shirt that's up to your belly button. So I hope that this helped and you enjoyed watching. I'll leave a link below to some of the items I talked about in this video. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you subscribe on YouTube and like on Facebook. Every week I post new farm-to-table recipes and homemade natural living right here from our homestead in Duvall. Thank you so much for stopping by the Duvall Homestead.